So sometimes you ask yourself, who the hell am I? What am I feeling? Let me tell you something. Let me show you something. We embody different aspects of ourselves. And I'm going to show you 3 frequencies that I'm tapping into, 3 frequencies. And I decide which one I'm gonna use. I decide which one I'm gonna live. But they are all valid. They are all real. And they are all me. Okay, first is very playful. It's like fairy energy. I'm going to tap into this frequency. I'm going to express myself with light language. And then you can decide. You can write in a comment which one you prefer, which one you feel the most. So this frequency really comes up when I'm with my son, when I'm doing something fun. Let's see. Ikitaka. Oh, kita keralana makiata, kita kira karamana kita nayata, kita kika, nikaralamana kita karalana marana kitika, dale kita kana mai tikiana. Okay, now let's tap into the gentle one. Let's tap into the wise one. Very nurturing, very gentle, a lot of grace. Ayanai tai tikiana mania ta sai tai te namai ta. Ayayenai tia tai kia ta namai ta sa. Alai tia namai tia ta ta ka nakai tia kasa. Iata namai tai ti niata. Atai ti niata kia namanai tia kasa. Na itia ta la niata namai tia ta kasa. Atia namai tai ti tia namai tia ta kasa. Okay. Now the dragon one. Now the fire one. The empowering one. Ea, tia kana mai tia taka ena sa. Atai tia na nai tia ta na mai tia taka neala tikiana taka sa. Aya tia na tikia tai tia na mania ta eala ea taka sa. Tia ta nai tai kiana takiala na ma tia ta na tai tia kasa. Atai ta sana. Tiata nama tiakata ela na iatakat iataka sa nama tiata. Tai tianaka ianakasa. Okay. You see? 3 frequencies. 3 different frequencies. This is all me. This is all you. Which one did you feel the most? Love you.